Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today to see what I am up to. I have a box here from Dossier. I don't have one box. I have two boxes. One for me, one for you. There will be a giveaway in this as promised. Losing my voice here. Let me give you a little bit of information about Dossier. This is my third or fourth. I'm not sure. I have to lose track of everything these days. Dossier is a luxury perfume for sophisticated women who prefer only the best. Get your sample now. Inspired by iconic fragrances without the premium price. Risk-free guarantee. No brand markups, free returns, premium fragrances, which I do agree with. You do take a scent quiz when you go to their website. You know, if that helps them try to match you with what you like, if you like musks or not, or sandalwood or this, they can help maybe narrow down if you're not sure. What I like is, this comes in an outer box. It didn't come just like this. I wanted to get rid of the box for recycling. Save your box, just in case you don't like it, you can return it. So save the outer box and you return it just as, even if you've sprayed it, you can still return it. Let me just, cruelty free, clean ingredients, like I said, no markups. I just want to give you a little shot here. There's women, men, and ones that are unisex. Just a little screenshot from my phone there. And there's just so many. But if you take the quiz, you get recommendations by taking their quiz, which never hurts. So it's vegan and cruelty-free, paraben and phthalate-free. And I can't read what the... color and UV filter-free. Crafted in France. I already said all those. And then here's just a little example. Luxury brands anywhere from $100 to $350. And Dossier starts at $29. There's $39. There's $49 cents. Just a little bit of that. Like I said, made in France. Trying to see what else, if there's anything else. I've given all that great information in all my previous videos, and I'll put some of that in my description box. So let's see what's in box number one. And they come just like this, with a little, a little card. And this is my scent, so you get a little card, and then on the back it tells you about your product. And the card has been sprayed and dried, so you can get a better sense of what the perfume smells like. You can't spray it and smell it and go, ooh, or love it, because it has to dry, mix with the oils. So if you spray it, that's why I think they spray the card. If you spray a card, let it dry, let it sit. You have to allow it to mix with the air and on your skin with your oils of your skin, and then you'll get your true scent. So this is Oriental Cherry, which I do believe is Tom Ford's something cherry. Let me see if it says Lost Cherry. So I wanted to try that first. I mean, I've tried other ones, but out of this grouping. The top notes are cherry, almond, and cinnamon. Middle notes are cloves, rose, jasmine, and plum. And your base notes are Peru, balsam, tonka bean, and vanilla. And this is inspired by Tom Ford Lost Cherry Eau de Parfum. And then, thank you. It gives you all that information. And this is, being part of the ambassador program, I get the little sample of the perfume. You do not get that when you order yours. But this is how it comes packaged beautifully. This is a big, huge bottle. Get it out of here. It's a big bottle, and I'm going to show you the bottom. It's 50 ml, 1.70 ounces. I love the magnetic top. I mean, and this is a nice, thick, sturdy bottle. I'm not going to spray this. I know I'm going to like it. It smells so good. This is perfect for me. Perfect. So these, I know you can refill them. Like this has a little top, and you can sort of take this off and refill if I want to take it for travel. And there goes Patches. She's barking up a storm tonight. So I like that as part of the, you know, getting this is the, you know, I get the little sample. Unfortunately, they don't send them in the boxes any longer. So that is my scent that I chose, even though I want the Miss Dior, but I'll get it. I have time. So this package is actually a gift for one of you. So this is the giveaway. And this, I'll just open it. And same, you know, same packaging. The card right here. And that smells good too. And the top notes are rhubarb, orange blossom, peach. Middle notes, daffodil, milky accord. I have no idea what that is. Narcissus. And base notes are cedarwood, blonde woods, and musks. And this is inspired by. So I took a poll. I had four perfumes listed on my community page. So if you don't know about community page, it's on, you know, my YouTube channel where you have like home, videos, playlist, community. Click on that and it'll show you all the posts, and that's where I try to keep you updated on what boxes are available, mystery boxes, you know, Target's available, and I put polls there, and I had a Dossier poll. What perfume would you like to see in the next giveaway? I think it was 30 or 31% chose Marc Jacobs, and this is Perfect Eau de Parfum. Right here is the card, so it gives you all that information. And this is what the giveaway bottle looks like. And I'm not going to obviously smell it. This is 50 ml, 1.7 fluid ounces. You know, the same magnetic top. I'm not going to put this anywhere near my face or my nose to smell it. So this is the actual giveaway bottle. Now, I do have an outer box that I kept that I will be able to put this in. So this is the one that's up for giveaway. And I did make sure that Dossier was aware that I wanted to do a giveaway with one of, now that I am an ambassador, I get 2 perfumes each month. And they were saying, great, that's awesome, do that. So today is, and I can actually say today is because I know when this video is going to air. Today is Tuesday, July the 20th. And this is going to stay up for a couple weeks. Give everyone a chance. So this is going to close on August the 22nd. So you will enter, you know, follow all the rules, and your keyword is going to be perfume, since Dossier is a perfume company. So you're going to use the word perfume in your comment. If you don't follow all the rules, you're automatically discluded. And I use the YouTube comment picker to choose a winner. There'll just be one winner for the Marc Jacobs Perfect. And I might do it next month again. You never know. I might skip a month and do it in September. I'm not going to do it all the time because then everybody gets used to it, and that becomes problematic, I should say. So that's all you have to do. Simple. I will look. Dossier didn't ask that I require you to do anything for them, but you know, you have to be subscribed to my channel. I have to be able to verify it. You have to like the video, watch the entire video from start to finish. Don't skip around in the middle and skip off of things that pop up on your screen. Watch the entire thing. Use the keyword in your comment, and you could possibly win the Dossier perfume. Just a little quick side note, I do have a discount code, and I'm going to pop it up on the screen right here, and a link. So if you would like to go over to Dossier and check them out and see what scents they have, or you're interested in ordering perfume for them, please use the link and the discount code. Save yourself some money, and that just lets them know that I am sending customers to them, and then I can continue to get the perfumes, continue to do the giveaways. It's just a full circle. I like to share what I get. So when I was just getting one, it's kind of hard to share just one. But now that I can get 2 each month, I will, you know, share this one this month. It's going to be kind of hard. I might have to, when they send me the email, it's time to pick, I could quick put out another poll and put out a few different perfumes and have you guys vote again. I don't have time to add it to a video where more of you might see it. So just keep an eye on the community page. I think that's wise for most channels, but that are monetized, because you have to, I think you have to have 1,000 before you get your community. I'm not even sure anymore, but if not, they always have like an area that they can communicate even if they're under that mark. I do believe it's the 1,000 mark. So always keep in touch with your video creator, your YouTube creator, because you never know what's going on. If you miss a poll, then you didn't get to pick, and maybe you could have tipped, if you voted, you would have tipped the scales to the Tom Ford if that's what you really were interested in, or something else. You could go to Dossier's website at, and that will be listed down below also, and look at some of the scents, and then when I come up with the poll, I might put you choose, and then you can, in your comment, you could tell me which one you would like, and if we get enough of those, then maybe we can work something out like that. It's kind of hard for me to pick 4 to put in a poll. I don't want to include more than that. So just a thought. You can always let me know what you're interested in, but not now, not in this video, because I won't go back to the comments in here when it comes time to the next one. So when I post my next poll, then you can maybe let me know what you're interested in, and I can take that. I'll do an other. I'll do 4 cents and then other, or you choose, and then I'll look at comments, and then I'll keep track of it, on paper. So thank you so much. Hope you all have a great day, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.